Not editing. Shit. My throat's all fucked up from talking all day with my new job and shit. Um, I'm making this video because I'm trying to practice my Photoshop skills in hopes of when I get everything situated that I can do like maybe even be able to get a job doing something like this or whatever. So, um, I'm putting this out here. I've been trying to do stuff on the request on Reddit, but what I'm asking for is if you go down, I'll put the link in the description of my Discord server, and I created a text channel in there called Photoshop requests, and what it is I want people to go in there, post Photoshop requests. Like if you have a picture, like you want something done to it, I don't guarantee that I'll be able to, but I just want like stuff where I can practice. Not really. I don't really draw, so I couldn't draw anything. But like if it's already images and like you maybe want them put together in something where I do that, or if the image is in bad quality and you want me to like check the quality or remove a person or edit in something. Um, the only thing is, just because of like the whole Discord shit, and I don't want to get like banned, it's got to all be like non pornographic, nothing like that. I'm not doing any like x rays or, shopping nude shit on people. I will Photoshop like face swaps and stuff, funny shit like that, but not like, can't do anything with nudity or sexual content, um, just because I don't want to get banned, just in case. So everything has to be like, you know, it could be like, it doesn't have to be like, only like kid stuff, but like, it can't be like, no nudity or sexual stuff. Yeah, I'm not swapping like porn pictures or anything like that, or doing any kind of, like edits like that, just because I can't. Uh, but yeah, if you got any ideas or anything you want to see, or like if you even have an idea, like it's something I might can do. But best is if there's like pictures, like hey, I want this person removed from this picture or something like that. I'm just want get more practice doing it. So if you've got time and you want to do that, because I'm working so much now at my other job, my job that I and everything like that. It might take time. I don't guarantee like I'll get it done, but I'm usually off 2 days a week, so I can work on them then, and I'll post them back in there once I get them finished, and then people can give me like critiques and shit. Like you can even be an asshole if you want, like oh you're stupid, you suck or whatever, or people who have like good critiques, like oh that looks good, but I see this issue here or that. I'm just trying to get better at it. So yep, that's that. I'm only doing it on the Discord, so you have to join the Discord and then post it there. Um, it's possible I could do Twitter, but I'm just trying to keep like if you tweet it to me on Twitter, so I'll put the Twitter down there. But like I'm trying to just keep everything in one place so I can go and see if there's anything. So this is just to see if that's possible. If anybody's curious wants to do that. Yep, thanks. And I added some in the Discord server. I added some new channels for just One Piece. Like I have a channel for spoilers, which I posted the spoiler for the latest chapter. But just rules, I will ban people or time them out and shit if they post spoilers outside the spoiler room, the spoiler whatever channel. Yeah, that's what it's called. Sorry. And also have an anime only channel, so I wouldn't. You can only talk about anime in there, the One Piece anime. So don't post manga stuff in the anime that isn't up to date with the anime. Okay. There's crazy theories, which that's open. Like if you go in crazy theories, like you have to just don't post any crazy theories about the chapters that haven't been released. So crazy theories is manga related. You can post crazy theories about manga. Just don't mention anything that isn't been officially released and like on the Sundays when they come out, because that's what people usually consider official release. Even though I count it when they put up the scanlation or whatever on One Piece chapters. Let's see what else. Yeah, I'm not super big on banning people. So what would probably happen is you'd probably get timed out for doing, posting spoilers outside spoiler threads, shit like that. Now, if it became like a problem, only way I would ban some people is you can't have these. A lot of these are rules for Discord, so you could probably get banned by Discord, and I don't want my server to get banned. So you got to watch the, no like super bad slurs, like racist shit or homophobic shit or all that kind of stuff. It's in some of the channels, if you talk about like stuff, I'm not like, you know, if you ain't got to be like 100% nice to people, don't threaten people like physically, because I don't know if that's like a Discord thing or not. Like I said, mainly a lot of that is I just don't want that. No doxing, 100%. That I will ban you for 100%. That's just something that I'm old school internet and I do not approve of at all. You have to take that shit somewhere else. Go look up Kiwi Farms or something if that's what you want to do. Yeah, that's about it. Like, I don't even have that many people in there. There's a couple people, so I just putting this out to see if more people want to join. And like, I'm gonna try to do more stuff with it, and even be in there maybe when I'm doing reviews. And then also, like, I got some voice channels set up. So like maybe if somebody wants to come on, like if I do a live stream, if they want to come in through Discord and talk about the One Piece chapter or something like that, we can do that. That'd be something interesting. I'm really sleepy right now, so I don't have that good of energy. I just got off work. Usually I'm working like 10 hours. Oh, God, it's horrible. And then like there's other channels where just as long as you just don't become like a really horrible person or shithead, I'm not gonna ban you for saying like some things. Like I said, I gotta just kind of if I find out it's a TOS of Discord, I have to ban you because I just can't have that in my Discord. So even if it's something I don't agree with, just so I don't have my Discord, you know, removed. Yeah. Other than that, that's it. And like I said, if somebody bothers you, you should be able to block them in Discord. You should just block them in Discord or mute them or whatever the hell you have to do. If somebody's just annoying, yeah. And then there'll also be like I don't want people like you know unless I decide to create like a relationship room or something. I don't want people like there's probably like maybe like a half of a girl that watches any of my videos anyway. But like don't be like overtly sexually harassing people and shit. Like jokes are fine, but I don't want you sending dick pics to them and all that kind of shit. If I find out like stuff like that goes on, I'll ban you from my server. I don't know what Discord would do. So like that's all that kind of shit. I just don't want it to become like it's not 4chan. It's not some of that kind of shit. There's probably other Discords like that. Mine's just going to be for what it's there for, and just interacting with one another, and everything like that. All right, and then obviously like more ideas for different channels or something like that, and we'll see how it goes. But mainly now, I'm just wanting to do the Photoshop request shit, and then One Piece threads and spoilers and discussions is cool, and we'll see how it goes from there. All right, thanks.